Ever felt like your team's to-do list is actually a to-don't list? Like projects are spiraling out of control, deadlines are whispers in the wind, and communication is a game of telephone played during a hurricane? Yeah, me too. Or at least I used to. Because let's be real, managing projects, especially complex ones, is like trying to herd cats, blindfolded. You need a system, a framework, something to bring order to the chaos. But then you're faced with a sea of options. Asana? Jira? It's like choosing between a Swiss Army knife and a multi-tool, both useful, but for different things, right? So, you're here because you're probably asking yourself, Asana versus Jira? Which one do I actually need? You're not alone. This is a question that plagues project managers, developers, and teams of all sizes. And honestly, it's a valid question, because choosing the right tool can be the difference between a smooth-sailing project and a shipwreck. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's understand why these tools exist in the first place. We live in a world where collaboration is key. Remote work, distributed teams, complex projects, they all demand a centralized hub, a single source of truth. We need to track tasks, assign responsibilities, monitor progress, and, crucially, communicate effectively. Gone are the days of endless email chains and scattered spreadsheets. Now, Asana. Imagine it as a digital workspace designed for flexibility and ease of use. It's like a clean, intuitive whiteboard where you can map out projects, create tasks, assign them to team members, set deadlines, and track progress visually. Think of it as a canvas for your team's workflow. It's built on a foundation of lists, boards, and calendars, making it easy to visualize projects from different angles. Asana excels in its user-friendly interface. It's designed to be accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical expertise. You can quickly create projects, add tasks, and customize workflows with drag-and-drop simplicity. It's perfect for teams that need a flexible and adaptable tool that can handle a wide range of projects, from marketing campaigns and content calendars to event planning and product launches. One of Asana's strengths is its focus on collaboration. It allows teams to communicate directly within tasks, share files, and provide feedback in real time. This fosters transparency and ensures everyone is on the same page. It also offers a variety of integrations with other popular tools, such as Slack, Google Drive, and Microsoft Teams, further streamlining workflows. But here's the thing. Asana's flexibility can sometimes be its Achilles heel. While it's great for general project management, it may lack the specific features needed for highly complex or technical projects, particularly those involving software development. That's where Jira steps in. Jira, developed by Atlassian, is a powerful project management tool specifically designed for software development teams. It's like a finely tuned engine built for the intricacies of agile methodologies, such as Scrum and Kanban. Jira's strength lies in its robust features for bug tracking, issue management, and sprint planning. It allows developers to track issues from inception to resolution, manage backlogs, and monitor sprint progress in real time. It's a powerhouse for teams that need to manage complex software development workflows. Jira is highly customizable, allowing teams to tailor it to their specific needs. You can create custom workflows, fields, and reports to track any metric you desire. It also integrates seamlessly with other Atlassian products, such as Confluence and Bitbucket, creating a comprehensive ecosystem for software development. However, Jira's complexity can be intimidating for non-technical users. Its interface can be overwhelming, and its learning curve can be steep. It's not as intuitive as Asana, and it may require dedicated training to fully utilize its features. So, how do you choose between Asana and Jira? It boils down to your team's specific needs and the type of projects you manage. If you're a team that needs a flexible and user-friendly tool for general project management, Asana is likely the better choice. It's ideal for marketing teams, creative agencies, and any team that needs to manage a wide range of projects without the complexities of software development. If you're a software development team that needs a robust tool for agile project management, Jira is the clear winner. Its powerful features for bug tracking, issue management, and sprint planning make it an indispensable tool for any team that's serious about software development. Let's break it down further with some key comparisons. User interface. Asana is known for its clean, intuitive interface, making it easy for anyone to use. Jira, on the other hand, has a more complex interface that may require training. Flexibility. Asana is highly flexible and can be used for a wide range of projects. Jira is more specialized and is best suited for software development projects. Features. Asana offers a variety of features for task management, collaboration, and reporting. Jira offers robust features for bug tracking, issue management, and sprint planning. Agile methodologies. While Asana supports agile methodologies, Jira is specifically designed for them, offering features such as sprint planning, burn-down charts, and velocity tracking. Pricing. Both Asana and Jira offer tiered pricing plans based on the features and number of users. Asana generally has a slightly more accessible price point for smaller teams. Customization. Jira is highly customizable, allowing teams to tailor it to their specific needs. Asana offers some customization options, but not to the same extent as Jira. Integration. Both tools integrate with a variety of other applications, but Jira's integration with the Atlassian suite of products gives it an edge for software development teams. Learning curve. Asana has a much shallower learning curve than Jira. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.